Unpacking the Heat. Understanding, rake over the coals. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that might sound a bit fiery at first: rake over the coals. This expression is rich in history and meaning, and understanding it can really spice up your English conversations. So, let's get started and explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday language. Rake over the coals is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone is being severely criticized or scrutinized for their actions or mistakes. It's akin to putting someone through a tough, metaphorical trial, where their faults are highlighted and examined closely. This phrase can evoke quite a vivid image. Imagine being dragged over hot coals and you'll get a sense of the discomfort and scrutiny the expression implies. The origin of rake over the coals can be traced back to the Middle Ages, a time when actual physical punishment was more common. One form of punishment involved walking over hot coals, a test or ordeal believed to prove innocence or guilt, or a person's truthfulness. Over time, this literal practice transformed into the metaphorical expression we use today, shifting from a physical trial to a verbal or emotional one, where someone's actions or decisions are critically examined. Understanding the context and intensity of this phrase is key to using it appropriately. Here are a few examples to guide you. 1. In the workplace, after the project failed, the team leader was raked over the coals by the management for not meeting the deadlines. 2. In personal relationships, I forgot our anniversary, and my partner raked me over the coals for it. 3. In public or social situations, the politician was raked over the coals by the media for the controversial statements made during the interview. It's important to note that this expression often conveys a strong level of criticism or scrutiny and should be used when such intensity is intended. Interestingly, rake over the coals can also appear in different forms, such as haul over the coals or drag over the coals. While the variations slightly alter the imagery, the underlying meaning of severe scrutiny or criticism remains the same. I hope this deep dive into the phrase, rake over the coals, has illuminated its fiery meaning and origins for you. Understanding such expressions not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, the next time you come across this phrase, whether in reading or conversation, you'll know exactly what kind of heat it's bringing. Thanks for watching, and happy language learning!